at babagsak depending on the families in that country, in that empire, and in that nation. And the devil is using the family, attacking the family kapag ma-destroy niya yung basic institution ng society. Alam niya, destroy ang isang bansa, isang civilization. Kaya binigay ng Panginoon itong napaka-importanting kautusan, the commandment of God, the fifth commandment, to honor your father and your mother. And any nation, nobody would argue in any law sa buong mundo, as Islam countries, Western countries, Asian countries, African countries, saan man, it is a basic commandment inculcated, stipulated in the culture in all places at all time, at universally recognized principle that children should honor and respect their parents. Kahit saan bansa ka pupunta, automatic yan. Expected yan na ang mga anak ay dapat igagalang nila ang kanilang ama at ina. Bisag kung sa imong tribo, Blaan ka man, Manubo ka man liya, Muslim ka man, Ilocano ka. It is automatic yan, nasa utak ng tao, in the culture, in the society, that children are expected and even commanded to obey and to respect and honor their parents. But sad to say, as we look sa buhay natin ngayon, especially here in Japan, in the Philippines, Quezon, and the whole world, nakikita natin that this basic commandment of God was ignored, was broken, hindi sinunod. Nakikita natin ang increasing loss of authority ng mga parents sa kanilang mga anak. Nawala na silang moral and spiritual authority sa kanilang mga anak. And the increasing disrespect and dishonoring ng mga anak sa kanilang mga ama, sa kanilang mga ina, sa kanilang mga guardians. And don't you know that this is a sign of the end time? 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 and 2, itong sabi ni Paul kay Timothy, but mark this, there will be terrible times in the last days. People will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, boastful, proud, abusive, disobedient to the parents. Disobedience. Wala nagatuman sa ilang mga ginikanan. That's why the family is in deep trouble ngayon. Dito sa Japan, grabe, no? Grabe yung mga bata. Yung mga anak ko, ito si Joy, dito lumaki sa Japan, nag-aaral. Grabe ang disiplina namin sa kanya kasi she was influenced by the Japanese concept, no? Sinisigaw-sigawan na yung mga mama at mga tatay. Kasi sa kanya, hindi ka pwede. We are Christian family, Filipino tayo. At by God's grace, she turned around 180 degrees yung bata. And she's very lovely and very obedient young girl ngayon. Saan si Joy?